Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to convert any non-negative integer into its English word representation using JavaScript. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand the step-by-step process to handle numbers ranging from single digits all the way to the billions. Let's get started. Imagine you have numbers and you want to spell them out in English, just like on a check or a report. We need to handle single digits, tens, hundreds, thousands, millions, and even billions. Notice how 1,279,000 breaks down into millions, thousands, and hundreds. Here's the core logic. We use arrays for single digits, numbers like 10 to 19, and multiples of 10. Then, a recursive function translate breaks a number down into units like hundreds, thousands, millions, and billions. Finally, we, we join all parts into a readable sentence. It is all about systematically breaking down the number into smaller chunks. This code works in a cascading manner. First, it handles small numbers, then tens, then hundreds, and finally larger units like thousands and millions. Recursion helps break the number into clean and smaller parts. So, we can apply the same rules to each part. The approach is rather clean and scalable. Let's analyze some examples. Notice how each number is split into chunks. For instance, 1,279,000 splits into 1,000,000 plus 279,000. Each chunk is processed using the same logic as smaller numbers. This consistency is what makes the code elegant and easy to understand. This functionality is used in real life whenever numbers need to be presented in words, such as financial apps, check writing, educational tools, or voice assistants. It is a practical example of combining math with text processing. Today, we've learned how to convert integers into English words by combining arrays for small numbers and a recursive strategy for larger numbers. We can handle virtually any number. Practice with different numbers and you'll see how powerful and flexible this approach is. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.